Vibration testing is an increasingly important element of the automotive test chain, and I'm here with Alexander from Acutronic, and they're going to talk us through some of their latest solutions and some of the background to the company. Alexander.
Nice to meet you. First of all, let me quickly tell you what Acutronic is about. We are in this motion field since 50 years, leading the market by high level of quality, unique solutions, tailored solutions. We supply systems all over the world, have a global presence from the United States to Germany, France, Switzerland is our headquarters, as well as India. Since many years we're already building shakers as well, because we saw that it goes hand in hand with our customers from the motion simulation fields, and we are providing a unique solution with a lot of helpful things which will automate the customer's process. Downtime is something which customers care, as well as basically not losing time in inefficiencies.
And what's the sort of operating range of this system in terms of the vibration sweep you can cover with it?
Right, let's start with the force first. We supply forces from 40 kilonewton up to 300 kilonewton, so quite a big range. We focus, let's say, on the heavy machines, so 40 kilonewton is our smallest shaker as per now. Operating range on frequency, so you can easily control up to 2.5 kilohertz on those type of systems. We have developed a brand new amplifier which allows the customer to quickly see basically what the status of the shaker is, like the temperatures. All of that can be connected to the network of the customer, so he can have his test lab wherever he wants, while the shaker can be in his acoustic enclosure. We have developed as well a brand new logic module which allows to sense the vibration data coming from a vibration controller, fully digital, so there is no more ground loops, there is no more noise on the line, so you can really test only that what you want to test, which is the vibration you want to command. And we have been taking care as well about a high level of automation in terms of how we can tilt the system. So everything is motorized, as well as the end stops are highly accurate, so you don't waste time with turning from vertical to horizontal. So all about our concept and many more details are basically tuned to having a high level of efficiency, as well as allowing the customer to quickly understand the system and not wasting time with reading manuals, but really focusing on that what he wants to focus, whether this is the power consumption, which you can see on the HMI, or whether this is the temperature, which will show you what the status is.
So with this you can effectively set it off on a fully automated test sequence and not really worry about, there's not really any manual intervention needed from the test engineers.
That is absolutely correct. One of the inventions we have as well provided, the first in the market, is an integration of the thermal control. So if you connect it to a vice testing chamber, in the HMI there are built-in capabilities which you can test and run the HMI basically, or the vice testing chamber as well, with our interface. So the customer does not need to connect 5 different devices, but he connects just to our device, and our device takes care of the interactions with the thermal chamber as an example. So full automation is well thought through in all details.
And in terms of the market at the moment, where are you seeing the main demand in terms of your customers?
Automotive certainly goes in the direction of battery testing, which is rather new and still rising. So there is a lot of battery testing which will be done on our shakers, for example, whether it is vertical or in combination with a slip table. And we do see as well a lot of space movement. There is a lot of commercialization of the space, and with it basically as well the more needs for accurate vibration or reliable vibration testing.
And presumably with the arrival of much more ADAS within the automotive market and just much greater electrification of vehicles, you're only going to see an increase in demand.
Absolutely, and this is clearly visible. Let's say the core market as it was earlier with the combustion engine testing is a little bit on hold or fading out, while the new technologies are ramping up, and still not even all the norms have been clearly defined. So we are there as we're working with the customers hand in hand to support them with our knowledge from our testing expertise. We have a level of education engineers which are helping really lead the customer to the right solution.
Alexander, thank you so much for your time.
It was a pleasure. Thank you as well.